Hi, my name's John. My friend Bob's just turned up. He's going to come in and do a little bit more on an indicator. How are you, Bob? Let's have a start.
Oh, I'm coming. Don't kick the camera. Happy New Year!
I'm seeing my ear just... Right, I'll let you get on with it.
Champion. Hi everybody. It's been a long time. Hope everybody had a good holiday and the New Year's going to bring everything that you want. Been a long gap. John's been poorly, I've been poorly, people in the family's been poorly. Just before Christmas, or at Christmas or whatever, I took this DE dial indicator, dial test indicator apart. Doesn't actually belong to John, it belongs to somebody John knows, and I'll put it back together today. But been that long since I had it to bits. It took us a bit to figure out what went where. So, bit of info on me putting this back together, and we'll crack on. Thank you very much. Now, I haven't gone OTT and polishing it up. All I've done is given it the light clean, basically with one of them Scotch-Brite nylon type brazier pads. The inside I've painted black, basically because there was corrosion on the inside. I've treated the corrosion. It has nothing to do with the movement and working, just makes it look better. So I'm going to put it all back together. I'll put this bit in off camera, this little spring here, because it was a nightmare to get in. You cannot really get in with a screwdriver, and it took us ages to get it in, so I pre-installed it. So anyway, the first things to go back in is the plunger, or the tip for the DTI, what works the movement, the plunger, and if you notice on the bottom there's a little groove which lines up and in the bottom of there, these little screws. All that does is hold that collar in there, that collar. Make sure that moves. Dum, dum, dum. It's been rather naughty for some unknown reason. Some others do have them, he says. So there's what on earth? I'll get it in right. That one goes in there. Screw back here. Try to keep my hands out the way because it's fiddly. one in. And that one goes on top of that one. That one goes on top of that one. I'm going to make sure that spring sits into that little groove which is there. And all the spring does is to keep this, the pointer, basically tension on the pointer. I've still put it together the wrong way on my own. What's wrong is that's not down up that cam. There it is. And it goes into there. That's it like that. So basically, when that gets pushed, it moves there. Like so. Screws in. Very, very careful here. Scrub it on there. Now John's going to do a video of actually this being used on his lathe. I'll show you how it works really. Well, basically it's hard to see, but right in the middle it's a 0 which is there, so you would clock that in on your round bar, whatever it is you have in the lathe, and obviously and you're clocking it in when it stays on the 0, it's clocked in. Make sure everything's nice and tight. Certainly couldn't do that with it before because it was sticking. Cover that on. There we go. We'll put this fella back together again. And basically you've got a countersunk with a internal thread, but it's got 2 flats on the top because it has a lock and washer which goes on. I'll go just to make sure it's in place. Big screw back in. And voila, there we go, all back, functioning, not too shiny. As I say, this will I could take that staining out, that rust staining. The only trouble is if you take it out you'll lose half of this lettering, and I can't put that lettering back in, so as long as you've treated it and keep it clean, that rust should never ever come back. It'll be always there, but it won't spread if you keep it right. And there we go. One DTI or dial indicator put back, or test indicator, whatever you want to call it. Ta-da!
I'm sure you'll agree that Bob's made a lovely job of refurbishing that. All I'm going to do is put it in the lathe and use it to set this bit of bar up. I actually do need this bit of bar running through, which is what a job I've got to do. Somebody goes into a tool post like that. It's adjustable so you can get it onto centre height. The bar's running out quite a bit. I'm just going to get it running a little bit near it to be true before we start playing with the gauge. That's better. Just by eyeballing you can get it pretty good. Right. Right, we're looking straight down on top of it. We'll find a high jaw, which is this one here. So we need to go across a little bit. That's a high point there. Again, and so you can see we're moving 3 divisions there. That's the highest one there. So once you go across that way a little bit, and we're getting nearer. High one. And it's the same as the dial gauge. Once that stops moving, it means that the part's indicated. It's actually not round. I'm going to try and get a compromise. It's not giving a true reading because I think there's possibly a little bit of that's a better bit of bar there, right. So again we'll find the high point, which is that one there. Right, what I'll do, I'll try my test gauge on it. Right, that's my indicator on the same part and sort of within half a thou really. Right, so the old technology certainly works. I don't see what could possibly go wrong with this if it's looked after and kept clean. It won't mind a bit of cutting fluid, it won't mind being dropped every now and then. I think it'll certainly outlast the 2-year one. The next stage up will be to put a digital DTI on. I haven't got one, I don't like using them. So we'll just persevere with what we've got. I must admit I'm very impressed.